Click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Today is our own day. You know why we can't go outside? Because it's COVID-19.
Oh, what's COVID-19?
COVID-19 is a sickness because that's what they call it.
Oh, is it scary?
No, it's just tiny germs come in your body, then you get sick and cough or sneeze.
Oh, really? What do we do to kill the germ?
Wash your hands, do everything what to be clean.
Oh, wow, that's nice. Do you like to clean?
No.
Do you want to be Cinderella?
No!
How come you don't want to be Cinderella?
Because I clean a lot.
Okay, you don't like to clean? Who's the Cinderella in your house?
Mommy,
Why?
because I like cleaning.
You sure she like cleaning?
Yes.
So who's the prince and not cleaning at all?
My dad,
Why?
because him like playing video game.
So he's not a Cinderella?
Mm-mm. It'd be funnier when my dad is Cinderella. My favorite princess is Cinderella
Why?
because I sleep a lot.
Okay, she sleeps a lot.
I like sleeping down a lot with my dad.
Wow. Do you want to be Cinderella?
No,
Why?
because she cleans a lot.
Well, but she's a princess.
Her fairy godmother, she got her a beautiful dress instead of buying a dress.
Who's a Cinderella in your house?
All of us?
Everybody cleaning?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's the one that don't clean?
No one.
No one. Okay.
Mommy, when I tell her you want, I help her, that means her will be so happy.
Oh yeah, you help her cleaning?
Sometimes.
Yeah. Do you think you should be Cinderella?
No.
Why?
Because I'm going to clean a lot, like 1 billion years, so cut that off.